Man, one of the greatest foods ever created was the hamburger, man. But right now we are in the dying market of hamburgers. They're not the same. They don't taste what they used to. And these are a listing of the top fastest dying hamburger chains, man. Let's see if this is one of your favorites.
Which is the fastest dying hamburger chain in the United States? Most Americans may know that the fastest growing hamburger chain in the USA is Shake Shack. So,
Okay.
which is the fastest dying hamburger chain in the United States? Fifth place, Jack in the
Oh
Box.
yeah.
Jack in the Box is
Who still
closing
eat them?
150 to 200 underperforming locations through mid-2026 as part of its Jack on Track recovery plan,
Jack
with
on track.
72 plus already shut in 2025. Driven by a failed Del Taco acquisition causing massive losses, declining same-store sales, over 6% drop in recent quarters,
They food not really
high
that
debt, and
good.
struggles
Like it
with
kind of
greasy
tastes bland.
perceptions and menu
Jack in the
changes,
Box kind of remind me
leading
of
to one of the
DQ.
highest
They
closure
kind of taste the
volumes among
same to
national
me.
burger chains. Fourth place, Red Robin.
Yo,
Red Robin plans to close about 20 more
I'm surprised
restaurants
they
in
still
2026,
open.
after 23 in 2025 and earlier cuts,
I've never
bringing the
eaten there
total
before,
to around
ever in my
50
life.
closures in recent years, with up to 70 projected through 2030. As the gourmet burger chain fights sliding
Well, the
sales,
burger's good.
years
Anybody
of
drop in a
losses,
comment, let me know
and
if y'all like Red
competition from
Robin.
fast casual and fast food rivals despite some turnaround improvements. Third place, BurgerFi. BurgerFi filed for Chapter
Never
11
heard of them.
bankruptcy in September 2024
Where are they?
and
Where they
continued
located?
restructuring into 2025 to 2026, shuttering dozens of locations, including 19 more in late 2024, and ongoing underperformance.
I've never heard of
With the
BurgerFi.
chain shrinking significantly from its peak amid persistent sales declines, high costs, and inability to scale post-SPAC merger, representing near total distress for this once promising premium burger brand.
Premium
In the second
burger.
place, Hardee's.
Yeah,
Hardee's has
Hardee's.
seen major franchise
I'm in
driven
Georgia,
closures,
so a
including
lot of Hardee's is
77
closed
plus
down.
locations
Used to be good
shuttered by
burgers,
one
man. Real
operator,
good burgers.
ARC Burger, in states like Alabama, Florida, and others in 2025, plus scattered additional shutdowns, for example, 8 in late 2025
I think they
across
got,
multiple states.
a lot of people just
Tied to
started
broader
eating better
struggles
and
with
eating
traffic
different.
declines,
And they not one
rising
of the
beef
top
costs,
burger
and
places,
franchisee bankruptcies
McDonald's,
or
Burger
exits,
King,
contributing to a
Wendy's.
shrinking footprint for the iconic burger chain. Before announcing the first place, comment in the section below the chain you think that is the
Which way y'all
fastest
think it's
dying
gonna be? I
hamburger
think the
chain
fastest
in the
dying one is
USA.
gonna be Burger King.
The chain ranks first,
I do not
planning
see
to
people
close
go to Burger King like that.
292
Almost
to
all Burger Kings that I
350
see
U.S. locations,
be empty.
5 to
If
6%
it's not, let's see.
of its approximately 6,000 store footprint. In 2026 under Project Fresh, following 140 plus closures in 2024 and
lot of
additional
stores.
ones into early 2026. Driven by slipping same-store sales, declining traffic, profit pressures, and a need to streamline underperforming units amid intense burger competition and economic caution. That's Wendy's, which
Wendy's.
is the fastest